Stop. Stop.
Stop it.
What does that have to do with you? What does that have to do with you? Dude. Hey. Bitch ass.
Gotta relax.
You arrested me for.
Stop it.
Bitch. I'll kill you.
On April 10th, 2023, cops found a young man causing a scene at a store. His speech was slurred, his breath was pure brewery. Truly a walking happy hour.
Hey, bud. Can I talk to you?
What's up?
So, I got a call from the manager over here. He said you're just causing some problems in front of the store.
I'm causing some problems in front of the store.
Yeah, he said you think you've been drinking alcohol as well, some penny or something like that.
Walking back and forth, bro. I'm talking.
Yeah, no, I believe you. Hey, like as right now, I don't see you causing no problems or nothing.
Hey. Is talking about I'm causing problems in the neighborhood.
Hey, I just got a call about it, all right? So I'm just trying to figure out, like the guy.
Hold on.
Yeah, so the guy told me you're just causing problems over here, said you've been drinking. It sounds like you're slurring a little to me, so I would think you've been drinking too, but as of right now, I don't see you causing any problems.
Well,
so what's going on?
Back and forth, talking on the phone.
I know, I believe you, man. You got I'm not, don't try to get defensive now, but have you been drinking? Hey, dude, I smell. Hey, man, I smell liquor on your breath.
There's no liquor.
Dude, come on.
I'm walking back and forth.
I know, I believe you, but I smell the booze on your breath. This is my first rodeo, man.
Listen, there's
Hey,
nothing going on over here.
You're not breaking the law right now. I'm just trying to.
I'm gonna leave real quick. I'm gonna leave.
Hey, let me. Come on, come here. Let's just talk, all right? Hey, come here. Let's just talk, all right? Hey, you got like a chef shirt on, right? You work around here?
Yeah, I work over there.
Where at Five Guys?
What you call it? Five. Okay. Some over there.
I know. All right. So I'm smelling the booze on your breath, dude. How? You're not 21. I can tell. So.
Hold on. What's up?
What's this?
That's not mine.
No? So the guy said you were drinking Remy. It wasn't Henny, it was Remy. So that's not yours.
That's not mine.
Okay. But do you get how I don't believe you? Because it smells like you've been drinking. We found some Remy, which the guy said you were drinking. And now...
I don't know where that came from.
Okay. Hey, you got an ID on you, kid?
I do not know where that came from.
Okay. Hey, do you got an ID on you?
Nah,
you got
know where that came from.
What's your name?
My name is Shane.
Shane? Shane?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your last name, Shane?
Kohler Davis.
Shane Kohler Davis that your friend just told you to tell me. All right, here.
He swore he hadn't been drinking, though witnesses and his breath begged to differ. Asked for ID and age, he gave just his name, then refused to cooperate. Guess honesty wasn't on tap tonight.
Bro, I didn't do nothing. What's wrong?
I know you just...
That's not mine.
I know you told me that already.
That's not mine, bro. Let me walk off.
But I don't believe you. All right.
Let me walk off.
How are you getting home? I just want to make sure, dude. Are you 21? If you're not 21, I can't let you walk off because now you're drunk. Now I've dealt with you.
I don't know what that is.
I can't let you go.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, I can't let you go because if you're under 21, it's my responsibility to make sure you get home to a responsible adult. I'm listening, but you're not giving me any information.
No.
All right,
listen.
Go ahead.
That is not mine.
Okay.
That is not mine.
But you are drunk.
How would I be drunk if that's not mine?
You could drink something else. You could have drank something else.
I'm not drunk.
Are you 21?
I didn't drink nothing. Listen.
Dude, I smell it on you. I deal with DUIs all the time. Hey.
You're gonna follow me?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you because you. Hey, let's just go over here real quick.
You didn't even test me or nothing. You just gonna follow me because you assume.
Because I have a reasonable suspicion that you're drunk. That's why.
But you didn't test me. So you're not free to leave. Stop following me.
Hey, you're not free to leave right now.
Hey, no.
Hey, you're not free to leave. You gotta identify yourself.
Let me call the real.
You gotta identify yourself. Okay?
Let me call the real and.
What's your name?
Let me call the real. Hey, bro, what's the number, bro?
What's your name?
Bro, why you so close?
What is
Why
your
you
name
so?
so we can
Why
get you
are
home,
you so
okay?
close?
What's your name?
Why are you so close?
What's your name?
Why are you so
Hey,
close?
Shane, if that's your real name, let's just get an ID and I'll let you out of
Why
here.
are you so close?
What is your name?
Why are you so close?
You better back off.
Off me.
Hey,
What's your name?
back up, Shane.
What's your
Bro,
name?
get your employee off
hey,
me,
guys,
stupid,
come on.
before I
What's your
spit in
name?
his
Let's
face.
go.
Hey,
Before I spit in your face,
hey,
stupid.
hey, you don't do that. You don't want to do that, buddy. Hey,
Nah, cause he's a
dude. Hey, now you hit me. All right. Hey, wait. Hey,
Alright, this is enough of that.
Hey, you see it, right?
Hey,
you see it, right?
Dude, you just hit me.
To get off of me.
Oh, okay, all right. Hey, stand right there. Hey, you're not free to leave. You're not free to leave.
Free to leave from
You're not
what?
free to leave.
Told he couldn't leave, he threw a tantrum, yelling, shoving, and resisting like rebellion might earn him a gold medal in stupidity.
Hey, you see, bro?
Hey, you gotta hang up your phone.
What you talking about?
Hang up your phone. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Wow.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wow, you's a bitch ass.
All right.
Wow. My mom's calling me and you talking about.
I believe it. You didn't answer. You didn't give me any information to go by.
What do I gotta give you information for?
Because
I gotta give you information for.
Hey, stop.
Who are you?
I'm not yelling at
Who
you.
are you?
I'm not yelling at you. Please stop yelling at me, all right?
Bro, who are you to lock me up for what?
I have to get information
You see
from
it,
you.
right? I ain't do nothing, right? Right. You see.
I'm putting this phone back into your pocket, all right?
Yeah, put it back in my pocket, you faggot.
Hey.
Faggot ass.
Hey.
Bitch ass.
Gotta relax.
Dude, you got
You arrested me for?
You're not arresting you.
okay?
Dude, you swung at me when I tried to calm you down.
I swung at you.
You pushed my arm out of the way while I tried to calm
swung
you
at
down.
you when
You
pushing.
did. You pushed my arm out of the way. All right.
Wow.
Wallet on you.
I
Dude, do you
swung
have
at
an
you
ID?
when pushing.
Do you have an ID on you?
Wow. You're the
Do you have an ID?
you and your wife.
Dude, come on.
All right. Talking about swinging at you.
All right.
I'm trying to touch you off my wife.
Hey.
Bitch ass.
Hey.
You.
Dude, I'm trying to figure out who you are.
Bro,
What's your
you
name?
didn't
How
have
old
nothing
you
to
are.
do with me, bro. What are you
Yes,
talking about?
I did.
With what?
You've been drinking.
You know him?
All right. All right. Was I causing problems? No, right?
He needs.
Wow.
Listen.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Say what
Okay,
you
go
need
ahead.
to say, bro.
Listen.
I didn't do nothing. I talking. Hey, all right. Say what I'm locked
I know, and that's what I'm trying to. All I'm trying to do is figure out.
Listen.
Why am I handcuffed? Why am I handcuffed?
Hey, man.
Why am I handcuffed?
That's the question.
Yes.
Please. Can you guys take him home?
Ask him right now.
want to.
Take him home.
I don't
No.
even know.
Ask him right now.
How do you know
That's where you gonna get your answer. Right now, ask him. Right now, ask him.
What is your name?
Hey.
We want to take you home, but you gotta tell us
That's
your
what we're trying
name.
to do.
You put
but
me in
he's not.
handcuffs for nothing, right?
Listen.
If you could talk to him.
What do you need to take me home for?
Clearly intoxicated.
All right, whatever.
You smell like alcohol. You're acting erratic. You're slurring your words.
What does that have to do with you?
He screamed right in their faces, "I didn't do anything wrong." The national anthem of the guilty.
What does that have to do with you?
Everything. Okay? I need to know how old you are.
What does that have to do with you?
I need to know how old you are.
What does that have to do with you?
Relax. Relax.
No,
Put him in the car. Put him in the car.
we're done with her.
Because you're a faggot too. You're a faggot too. I hope your mom fuck you in your sleep.
Stop.
Wow. Hey, stop.
Stop it.
Yeah. Spit that loogie on your face, bitch ass.
weapons on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
What are you reaching for?
Go ahead and check nothing. Bitch. Stupid Caucasian bitch ain't worth nothing but a look. Search my left side, you fucking bitch.
Put that over his face. Dude, you're making this fucking harder. You really...
Bro, I don't got nothing on me.
Jesus Christ.
Relax.
Relax, dude.
Relax.
Hey, man.
Relax. Relax.
So yeah, that's why you need 2 men.
All right, put it in the car.
I hope y'all tell him what I did, right?
Grab the Remy. This is all your property, okay? It's in the back. You better stop. You are not going to bang your head against the window, okay?
I want you to know.
Alright.
Hey, no. I want you to know you don't have no power outside this law.
That's great.
You don't have no power outside this law. You don't have no power outside this law. You need 2 people and a woman.
Stop it.
Let me lick him. You think God gonna get you? It's all right. God is not even up there. He's right here.
309 and also comes back as an expired.
Do not fight him.
Stolen
Do not.
license. Stolen license.
Forget it. Hey, forget it.
Hey, let me call Solvay, see if we can...
You didn't even lock me up for nothing.
Without getting him in.
Crazy part.
He spat at officers and fought back, so they gave him a fashion upgrade. The Deluxe Spit Hood, perfect for people who can't keep their mouths shut.
Bite you alright?
Did you get the Remy?
No, I didn't grab it. Could you go grab it?
Bottle, it's right over there. Next to that cup. He's 18.
You can't get nothing over 200
We just found it.
You so bummy.
He's 18.
You so your mom know you a
Alright, here we go.
You think you just so white, full of power, right?
Legs out. Hey, man.
You know your mother, your wife.
Dude, legs.
You think y'all strong? Y'all think y'all strong?
Hey, dude. Easy. Stop spitting.
Easy.
Hey, can we get a spit mask?
I got one.
He's a white bitch. White bitch never went through nothing. You too. Y'all too. What the?
Stop it.
I'll kill you!
Set him down.
Let's go.
You think you something?
Let's go.
You think you something? Oh, f you up in the real world.
We gotta search him again.
Yeah. We gotta get this jacked on.
I gotta get this jacket off.
Control him.
Control me. Use a f***ing bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah. Soft.
You only doing this because I don't even have a weapon on me, bro. What the f*** is wrong?
Alright,
Y'all
I got
are a bunch
You got
of
key?
f***ing-
I got his arms.
Relax. That's not what you want to do.
That's not what you want to do, nigga. I'll shoot the f*** out of you.
Is this already?
His arms.
Hold on. We got jewelry.
Unit. Here's a lot of more.
You got earrings?
1.86610, which is black.
Dude.
Relax.
Hey, there's 4 of us here.
Take a breath.
Who you are?
Okay. All right. Hold on.
Relax.
Let's go back to the pro.
Yep, got him.
You can breathe, buddy.
And I hope you tell them what
Give me
I
this
did.
arm. Give me this arm, dude. Roll him towards me.
Oh, man, we don't want to hurt your shoulders,
Yeah.
dude.
There we go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
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 All right, roll him toward me.
All right, ready?
Yep.
To the butt.
2, 3, butt. All right. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Stand up. Stand up.
All right, we're gonna just start. I got it.
Bro, you know how big y'all are? Had to do 3 guards for y'all?
Number 1.
Number 1.
Sit down.
So you finna sit me in the cell? Where y'all at? Weak? Like y'all at weak?
Nah, this is that fat dude.
One down.
Strap me down to the bed. Strap me down to the bed like you told.
Have fun.
He racked up 3 felony counts of aggravated battery on an officer and 1 for resisting. Talk about a loyalty program no one wants to join. Next time, maybe try earning respect, not charges.